हाँ मैं पागल हो गई हूँ हाँ.
How much pagal?
Very much pagal.
How much? Very much pagal.
Hi you guys, so as usual I was on a Megal because that is something that fetches me views unlike awkward questions, because अगर मैंने वो किया then I would be thrown out of the house. And in this footage, by mistake, I turned into Sandeep Maheshwari for a day and I changed a person's life on a Megal. It's not a joke this time. So if you're a teenager who's struggling with finding your passion or being invested in your friends 24/7, or you don't know what to do in life or what you're good at, this video is definitely for you. But before beginning with the video and telling you how to conduct yourself in life, I want to tell you something even more important, and that is how to keep your skin fresh in summers. Okay, so I came here to shoot because बाहर से बातें कर रहे हैं और अभी जो सबसे ज़्यादा important बात है वो ये है कि मुझे बाहर जाने पहले चिप्स लेने हैं, क्योंकि वो वाले जिससे मैंने खाए नहीं है, लेज़ के ऑरेंज वाले वो फेवरेट है मेरे, तो मैं जाऊँगी वो लेने. पर बाहर जाने से पहले एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ वो होता है अपने फेस को सन के डैमेज से बचाना. मतलब कोरोना का मास्क तो पहनोगे पर धूप तो फिर भी लगेगी ना मुंह को. सो उसके लिए हमारे पास है हमारा आज का स्पॉन्सर हाइड्रा जेल इंडियन सनस्क्रीन. नाउ यू नो व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड इंडियन, बिकॉज़ इट्स द बेस्ट फॉर इंडियन स्किन टोन. मतलब इंडियन स्किन को ही दिमाग में रख के इसको बनाया गया है और मैं जनरली भी इसको यूज करती हूँ, तो मैं इसको लगा ही रही थी, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आज इसको रिव्यू करें. फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के आते हैं यार अच्छे व्यूज ये करने के लिए, तो मैं भी करूंगी. ओके, सो वी विल टेक अ जेनरस अमाउंट. अब ये जेल बेस्ड है, सो इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट ऑन द स्किन.
Okay, so the formula is actually lightweight and very non-greasy, and I trust Mamaearth because it's totally paraben-free and dermatologically tested. Also, because I've been trying it, I know it's suitable for all skin types.
It's also got aloe vera that is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it also has raspberries, जो आपके दाग धब्बों को लाइटन करती है इंडियन भाषा में और आपको एक अच्छी वाइफ बनाती है. वाइफ के लिए सारी क्वालिटीज होनी बहुत जरूरी है. सुंदर, गोरी, लंबी और जिसके मुंह पे दाग धब्बे ना हो. Haven't you seen Indian serials? मेरे लैशेस पे भी लग गया. मैं भैया अपने लैशेस पे क्रीम लगा देती हूँ. My lashes are more protected than my entire face, but yeah, क्रीम लगा के मुंह में मजा आता है. It's like, whoa, I look like a momos.
All these Mamaearth products are toxin-free, Indian and plastic positive.
Also, great news is that Mamaearth has launched its official app where you can go and get early access to all the sales and exclusive discounts.
Use my code YASHVI2021 for 20% off at mamaearth.com.
Also guys, I've been thoroughly trusting Mamaearth because of its goodness report. Now goodness report is like a report card that tells us the impact of our own actions, and Mamaearth has been acing it with all the good work that it's done. It's planted across 1 lakh trees, it has recycled 1135 metric tons of plastic, and also it has like served the nation with like 20,000 cloth masks and like 50,000 sanitizers, and that is exactly the need of the hour.
Hi.
Hi.
Your hair color is different. What's that color?
Ash blonde.
Hey, बुड्ढा जैसा बन के बैठा है. What do? Do you play games? You look like a gaming streamer.
Yeah, I play games.
Are you a famous gaming streamer?
No.
Why aren't you?
I just don't stream.
Do you need motivation in your life?
Kinda, sorta.
Did you fail on your grades?
No.
Did you lose something that was very precious to you?
Not of recent, no.
Then why
I
don't
just
you have
haven't.
the motivation to work? There are people out there who have worse lives going through all of this and they're still working out, you know. Why aren't you? Did you break up recently?
I was working. I just don't stream, but I was working.
Like what's your work?
I worked a retail job.
What do you do for being happy? What's the one thing that gives you happiness?
Talking with my friends a lot and spending time with them. And my dog. He's right there.
But these are the things that give you a certain passion. You do not get happiness from dancing or singing or reading or writing something that would stay with you for life, like your dog and your friends. They're temporary. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Then what's that one thing that makes you happy? Is that gaming?
No, just waking up every day.
You gotta wake up every day with a purpose. Waking up can't be a passion. To do something after you wake up is what you need to do in life. But you need to find a passion in your life to earn you something. You won't work out for something as long as you don't know you're passionate about it, right?
Mm-hmm. I just haven't found that passion yet.
You have to find that.
I'm gonna go to college soon for cybersecurity though.
Why do I feel like you have an interest about fashion? Do you feel slightly inclined towards being a fashion influencer or something?
Maybe. I like dressing nice.
Okay, so I'll tell you something. A person who tells me that he likes waking up every morning, there must be a drive to waking up, right? For you, it seems like you wanna wake up to get ready. You like this ash grey hair that nobody else out there can carry. Why don't you start working on it? Why don't you become something into fashion? There are a lot less men into fashion. I think you should try out there. You've got pretty features, you've got nice hair, you've got a nice dressing sense, and you like to wake up.
Yeah, I mean, why
You
not?
should treat.
You make a good
I'll
point.
tell you what. Click a picture. Take a challenge for 30 days. Click pictures every day for 30 days. Every day, different outfit. Create your styling blog. Start posting them on Instagram.
You make a fair point.
Nothing succeeds like success, babe.
I like your approach to things. I'm actually trying to get my life together this month.
What's wrong with it? Tell me.
Well, I left school. I'm going back to school
Okay.
this month. But I'm planning on going to college in the fall for cybersecurity. I want to move next year.
It basically sounds like you want friends to hang out with and talk to, but because your school life and college life isn't starting, you're not getting to do that. And that makes you feel very bored in life and you don't have a purpose, you're lazy at your house. But do you realize the fact that you're so dependent on your friends that you can't do stuff individually, and that is exactly what you should not be doing. Your friends are not gonna stay for the rest of your life. You have to find peace or passion into something that you can execute yourself.
Very
I
true.
want you to become something before you enter your college life. To have a good circle of friends, you have to be good in your own self to attract the
True,
good
very
crowd.
true.
Otherwise, what will happen is like you'll get into the bad crowd that does nothing and that lets you do nothing either. So all of you become a ruckus. Stop depending on your friends. You're self-sufficient and you're happy and you'll do something with your life. What's your age?
20.
There's a lot that you have to figure out yet. Don't stress about it though, but just start finding something that you can do individually to become something in life. Stop depending on your friends. Your friends ain't going anywhere. They'll keep changing, they'll keep coming and going with how success fluctuates in your life. That is a rule. Don't depend on them. You feel like it's valid, the points that I'm making, or do I sound like I'm complete bullshit?
No, you sound very valid.
I sound valid?
I mean, yeah, it is true. I do want to do something bigger with my life other than just sit here.
Exactly. Even I felt like earlier that if I've got a few friends in life and if I'm happy enjoying, that is what life is all about. You gotta be happy. And I realized those friends aren't permanent. And then I was like, okay, now so my happiness is driven away because the friends go away. Now I have to find new friends. But that cycle kept on repeating. So you gotta remind yourself that friends aren't happiness. They might feel like an escape from work when you're too stressed about it, but that isn't happiness. That is just an escape.
I truly feel it. I have a potential. I just haven't gotten to it yet.
Like this light has immense potential. Now I'll see more fair. I just switched it on. It was dark outside. I'm also funny.
I mean, to be motivational, you gotta be somewhat funny, right?
Yeah, to be funny is always to be relatable. Unless you're only talking
yep.
boredom speeches, nobody's gonna listen to you. So you gotta crack a bit jokes in between.
Exactly. Every time I watch some speaker or something, they're always making like jokes in the middle of their
And then,
speeches because
the problem with speakers is that when you listen to them, you don't drive an inspiration out of them. You always feel like you're less intellectual, and then you feel more worse about yourself. Like there's just a handful of speakers that you listen to and you're like, okay, I relate to this and this was a good piece of information that I had in life only because they sound relatable. Sounding relatable, you gotta be funny. You gotta know how to tackle people up, right? You can't be just all boring and intellectual and speak the bookish facts. People are gonna get bored and they're gonna go feeling more worse about themselves. So you don't have to feel worse about yourself. You're very pretty. You'll get a good girl in life as well. I mean, that is good girl. Don't worry about that. That must be another I don't know. Do you have this in your mind that you need a good girl in your life?
I don't think any of my friends are dating anyone right now, but I would like to have that.
There's a lot you need to sort up in your life, buddy, but first you gotta sort yourself up. What I'll advise you is once you found what you like to do, then find a girl who has the similar interest. Imagine yourself being a musician and they dating a dancer. I mean, that is possible, but there will be some conflict, right? She won't understand music or you won't enjoy dance that much. But if you get into music and then you get a girl who's also into music and who understands this, there's a lot more potential to grow mutually. So do that, find your passion, and then look on to other things like the girl.
I like people asking me how I'm doing and like,
Right.
yeah.
Are you doing better now?
Like I was feeling a little down, but then you honestly like brought me back up.
Okay, stand up, remove the chair, stop being lazy, push the chair back, stand up. I can't believe I'm making you do this. Do some jumping jacks and smile. Do it! Woohoo! Just discover what you like in your life.
And love yourself.
And love yourself. And in case you feel like you don't love yourself sometimes, drop me a text, I'll teach you how to. You didn't smile. Smile. Oh, now you gotta get your shit together and work. Stop depending on your friends, they ain't going nowhere, okay?
True.
I'ma go now?
True.
That's enough for the day. And once you start with anything artistic or fashion, you got to drop me a DM with whatever you create. I'm gonna promote it, okay?
चाहिए मुझे बंगला, चाहिए मुझे गाड़ी, चाहिए मुझे बेंटले और चाहिए फरारी, चाहिए मुझे टेक बिट जो करे मेरी सवारी। नोटों से भरी जेब है और जेब रहती